Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. So I have a mess. I have a very big mess. Don't judge. Don't judge. This is a judge-free zone. I have a giant mess. We need to clean it up. It is my cleaning up my beauty space with me and organizing because we have to do that. And before I show you, this is a judge-free zone. This is my space right now. I know, it's actually horrible and it makes me want to fucking cry every time I look at it. Also, I don't even want to talk about this, but so yeah, my situation with this drawer wasn't working and I was like, I'm gonna do it in a video, and never did it, and never did it again, and never did it again, and never did it again, and now it needs to be done. So I'm going to try to tackle this, and I'm going to try to tackle this. And next time we'll do my everyday makeup drawer because I love filming those videos and I wish I had more time to. So I'm going to start with this terribly filthy and awful desk that needs cleaning. This is just terrible. So if you want to see this go from this to this, then just keep on watching. I also have a mess in that corner, but we're moving soon, so that's not going to be a problem for much longer. And these drawers are busting wide open, and I want to get another one of these, so we're going to do that eventually. Just not at the moment, because I'm broke as a duck. I don't even know where to start here. Making the difficult decision of getting rid of these boxes because I'm attached to the packaging, because this is the only way to tell that this is Twilight. desk. I can see the desk again, which is lovely because I haven't been able to for a while. I may have cleaned the desk, but I am not done because I still got to tackle this, and I have to take everything out of it before I can start to put stuff back into it. I'm gonna shove everything into this Christmas bag. That's all I have right now. So I have these like acrylic plasticky things that I'm going to put in here and try to put like mascaras in one, brows in another, liners in another, and we'll see how that goes. So these two things just need to be moved. This is a lip balm and a liquid blush. I'm getting rid of the Essence slash Princess Sculpted Volume just because it's really old, along with the Essence, the Falsy Lashes. Have a lot of Essence because they're so affordable. I'm also getting rid of the Glamlight Mascara because it has been longer than 6 months, and you're supposed to get rid of your mascara every 6 months. Same with the Iconic London. The Merit Mascara, I actually really like this one and I would repurchase it. I love this one and it just dried out on me, so I just need to repurchase. Item Beauty isn't even a thing anymore, so I'm just decluttering this one. Another Essence slash Princess, the Curl and Volume. ColourPop Act Natural. I got this from a mystery box and it was actually a really nice mascara. I also liked that it was brown. And then I also have this Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Mascara that I didn't really like when I tried anyway, so I'm decluttering. And then I have these. I think I'm going to keep these in my hair drawer because they are a hair finishing stick and it's just to like keep your baby hairs in place. And then I'm getting rid of 4 brow gels, one from St. Luxe, one from Billion Dollar Brows, one from Glossier and NYX. The Glossier and NYX are just old and the other two I don't really use. I'm getting rid of the ColourPop Feather Effect Brow Pen because the color is just not dark enough for me. And I'm getting rid of these 2 brown eyeliners because I don't use them and it has been longer than 24 months and 6 months. So definitely need to get rid of those. And then the last thing I'm decluttering is this Stila Rose Gold Retro. It's just so dry, so like I'm just gonna get rid of it. I don't even use it. It is very sparkly and pretty, but it's so dry that you can't use it, so I'm decluttering that as well. But I am very happy with how this drawer came out after seeing it a mess for so long. This is so aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it. That was actually a lot longer for me than it was for you, but I finally feel like I can be at peace now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a good time, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more clean with me videos. I do have to organize my everyday makeup drawer, redo that too, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! This whole sharpener just comes apart. It's very unsafe. I really thought I was recording.